Editing vertical videos in DaVinci Resolve. It can be done, and I want to show you in the easiest way I can explain it. The first thing we want to do is create a new project. We call it vertical. Create. There is a cog in the far right project settings, and we want to use vertical resolution. Save. And we only do this thing at this stage of the knowledge, because I assume you are a beginner, a starting beginner, absolute beginner. We go to media. Anyway, we can go to edit, so I don't want to confuse. And we import our footage. I import all of them. Change project frame rate, yes, I change it. But you can change it from the settings as well. Anyways, changing frame rate from here, and it changes frame rate to the timeline, and it changes frame rate to the delivered page as well. There are a million ways to do things in DaVinci Resolve. That can be a blessing and can be a curse, because it seems more complicated than it actually is. But I tell you, if I can use DaVinci Resolve, you can use it too. So don't worry. Now we have this kind of video that is shot with my DSLR in vertical, and how you can see it is not framed properly because it's not rotated how it's supposed to be. And I want to rotate it at -90 degrees. And I want to zoom out. And voila. Do we want to edit vertical? Now it's framed as I desire it to be framed. And then we have another case that is a horizontal video in a vertical frame. And how do we resolve it? Just import on the timeline. Just have a look where it falls. We can arrange, I stop it, and I, not the angle, sorry, set it back to 0, the position X, and the position Y if we want. We don't want because we have a black band in the bottom. -4 is enough. Look how beautiful I am. And for framing, that's it. For subtitles, you can't have automated subtitles. So in DaVinci Resolve 3 you can't add automatic animated captions, so I don't think it's the case to mess with Fusion yet and make your animated text. But if you want to use a vertical video that is made for Instagram Reels, TikTok and YouTube Shorts, you have to put subtitles of some kind. So I show you how to put them by hand. You go to Effects, Text, and you add them where you wish to add them. We put 3 subtitles, one here, and one here. I go where the playhead is with the title. I select all 3 clips. Now in here I choose the font I want to use. Something bold. This one, super bold. We can change the color. We put a very ugly color. Okay. We can put a stroke outside only. In here you make the stroke as big as you like. I'm working very ugly, I don't like this, but just to show you, it has to drop shadow. Can you see the shadow in the back of the letters? This way. And we can put a background, something very yellow. Okay. In here we choose the 8. Very high, very yellow. With a round corner or not, as you prefer. And now you have this ugly feature text on all 3 text clip we did. Here I deselect. I go here, move to and here we can change the word. And here we put word 2. So basically it's easy, no? Just remember to select all the clips you want to format in this way. I hope you do a nicer format, because this I can't see, but just to show you. Now we want to export everything. We give it a title, vertical, is in video, okay. Okay, in video save. QuickTime I want MP4. I go to TikTok as add to render queue, renderer. Ten seconds to render the video. And now we watch the video. We can arrange a horizontal video to fit in the vertical frame, but I don't recommend you to do it. But if you have to, it is possible. If you are still here, thank you for watching, and I hope I've been useful. If you want to subscribe, I will be very happy. Ciao, and see you in the next video.